Hello everyone. So this week we will test muscular fitness in an individual. So how we will find out muscular fitness in individual? Through Cross and Weber test, we will find minimum strength in an individual. So this test was constructed to find out weakness in the muscles of the children. So this test comprises 6 test battery. So test 1, test 1, abdomen plus psoas muscles. Second test, abdomen minus psoas muscle. Third, psoas plus lower abdomen. Fourth, upper back muscle. Fifth, lower back muscle. And sixth test, back and hamstring muscles. So total 6 tests is there, and from this test we will find minimum muscular strength in an individual. So we will be doing test one by one and then we can find out. अगर आप इस टेस्ट में पास होते हैं, so you will be grading by 10 numbers, and if you will fail in this test you will be graded 0. So इसकी सिर्फ 2 ही क्राइटेरिया, या तो पास या फेल. इससे आपके मस्कुलर स्ट्रेंथ का पता चलेगा कि that you will be pass in this test or you will be fail in this test. So let's start with this test. Okay, so first test number 1, subject is asked to lie down on supine position. Supine position means flat back. Okay, you have to lie down on your back and your feet should be straight, and you have to keep your both the hand behind your neck. So hand back on your neck. Now in test number 1, what you have to do, you have to just do one sit-up. If you are able to do this one sit-up without facing any difficulty, if you are facing problem, अगर आपको बहुत difficulty लग रही है, जैसे नहीं हो पा रहा, okay, so that means then you will fail in this test. So if you want to pass in this test, you have to do only single sit-ups. So now this test, for me, that means I am pass in this test. Okay, so you do not have to do anything. Lie down on your supine position, flat on your back. Just keep your both hand behind your neck, and after that you have to do only one sit-up. If you are able to perform this one sit-up without facing any difficulty, you will be passing this test. Otherwise, if you're facing difficulty in raising your shoulder and you are not able to get up, so that means you will fail in this test. This is the first test. Okay, now second test. The position remains same. You have to lie down on your supine position, that is flat on your back only. Your hand will be behind your neck only. The only thing you have to change, your knee. Your knee will be bent. Your ankle is touching your buttocks. Keep your ankle in such a way that it touching your buttocks. Okay. Now this position is perfect. The rest of the position is same. You are lying down on your back. The position which I have changed in this test, only that I have folded my knee. Okay, the position of knee like this, where your ankle is touching your buttocks. Now same you have to do. Your both hand behind the neck. You have to do one full sit-ups. Like this. Okay. So if you are able to perform one full sit-ups, you will pass in this test. And if you are facing difficulty in performing full sit-ups, like you're not able to do like this and that, then you will be graded 0. So you will fail in this test. So if you want to pass this test, you have to do one full sit-ups without failing anything. So second test, same as first test position, just the difference in your legs position. Okay. Okay, so third test, the position of this test also remains same. You have to lie down on your back, that is your supine position, and you have and your both hand behind your behind your back. Okay, your both hand behind your back. Now you have to raise your leg like this up to 10 feet. Okay, and you have to hold it this position for 10 seconds. If you are able to hold this position for 10 seconds, you will pass in this test. If you fail to hold this position for 10 seconds, you will fail in this test and you will be graded 0. So if you want to pass in this test, you have to hold it for 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10, and then relax. And this test ends. Okay, so let's start with test number 4. Now the position will change. You have to lie down on your prone position. Prone position means flat on your stomach. Okay, you have to lie down on your prone position, flat on your stomach. You have to keep your both hand on your neck only, behind the neck. Feet should be straight. Now in this test, you have to raise your shoulder, chest like this. Okay, without taking support of this mat, you have to raise like this. Right now you are like this. You have to raise it like this for 10 seconds. If you are able to raise your upper body for 10 seconds, you will pass in this test like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. And relax. So if you are able to perform this test for 10 seconds, you will pass in this test. Otherwise, if you face difficulty in doing this test, you will be graded again 0. You will fail in this test. Okay, so next test, test number 5. Your position will remain as test number 4. That is, you have to lie down on your prone position. Fine. You're straight like this. Fully extended your body. Now, what you have to do in this test, what you can do while doing this 2 tests, that is test number 4 and 5, you can even take pillow below your abdomen lower. Okay, तो abdomen के नीचे, lower abdomen के नीचे आप अपना पिलो लगा सकते हैं for support, you can say. Okay, but I have not used pillow, but yes, you can use pillow also. And what you have to do, you have to now raise your leg upward. जो अभी आपने करा था ये, दिस इज फॉर अपर बैक और ये लोअर बैक के लिए. ठीक है, टू टेस्ट अपर बैक एंड लोअर बैक. फॉर लोअर बैक यू हैव टू रेज योर leg in upward for 10 seconds. So let's do it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. And then you can relax slowly. Yes. Okay, so this test will test your lower back and test number 4 will test your upper back. क्या कैसी स्ट्रेंथ है आपकी, क्या मस्कुलर में कितना स्ट्रेंथ है, हाउ मच स्ट्रेंथ इवन यू रिक्वायर. एंड इन टेस्ट के लिए, ये टेस्ट इसी के लिए हुआ है, मस्कुलर स्ट्रेंथ के लिए, फॉर अपर एंड लोअर बॉडी. Okay, so last test, number 6, it is also known as floor touch test. ये बेसिकली फ्लेक्सिबिलिटी मेजर करने के लिए होता है, आपकी ट्रंक की फ्लेक्सिबिलिटी. ओके, यू हैव टू स्टैंड straight. Okay, your feet should be close together. Slowly just bend your upper body while your finger point touching the ground. और आपको ये 3 seconds के लिए होल्ड करना है. If you are able to hold your fingertips to the ground for 3 seconds, you will pass in this test. Like, breathe in, then breathe out down and touch with your fingertip to the ground for 3 seconds. And yes, इस टेस्ट में एक इम्पॉर्टेंट पॉइंट ये है कि आपकी नी बेंट नहीं होने चाहिए. It should be straight while doing this test. Otherwise, you are not able to measure your trunk flexibility. Okay? Yeah, you can easily able to do it. At least you can try for 3 seconds. 1, 2, and 3. And then slowly just raise it. Okay? So total 6 tests are there in Cross Weber test. Fine? Thank you.